My name is Sunday Bada. I am here again to teach you guys how to solve mathematics question, expressions of number. Now we have this question that says, a cinema hall contains a certain number of people. If 22.5% are children, 47.5% are men, and 84 are women, find the number of men in the hall. How do you going to find this question? Now we have 100% as a whole, the total of any number in that hall, they are what? They are 100% people there. 100%. Now they have given us two category of percentage for the children and for who? For the men. But they did not give us the percentage for the women. Now, how are we going to solve out the percentage for the women? Now we are going to add the percentage of the children plus the percentage of men. What is it going to give us? Now we now minus it from the total that's supposed to be. Now we have for children is what? 22 point half percentage. Anything 1/3 is half. Is the same thing as 0.5. For the men is what? 47 point half. The total of this one, half plus half equals to 1. Now let's take away the half plus half. 2 plus 7, 9. 2 plus 6, 6. We have 69, isn't it? 69, we have half and half. Half plus half equals to 1. And we have 69. 69 plus 1 is going to give us total of what? 70% people for the children and the men. How many percentage that is left? Therefore, how many percentage is going to be left for the women? Because the remaining 1% is for what? Is for the women. 100 minus 70 is going to give us for the women. Women is going to be what? 30%. Therefore, the total will be what? 100 percentage. Now to solve this question, let me rule it like this. For the women, to look for the number of the total of the people in that hall, let's say let the number of total people in the hall equals to x. Let me see x. Therefore, the total number of people in that hall, they are all x, isn't it? Now, if we want to multiply, we have gotten the number of women, isn't it? Now, 30%, 30 over 100 multiplied by the total of people in that hall. There are how many? There are 84 people for the women. For the women, this is the total number of the people. This is the way they multiply it. And they got 84 here. The question has given us 84 that they are women. They multiply 30% on the total number of the people in the hall. That's why they get 84. Now, we will now calculate to know the number of the total of the people in that hall. Therefore, 30 times x is going to give me 30x divided by 100 is equal to 84. Now, the next thing we are going to do, cross multiply. This one multiply by this. 30x times 31 is going to, therefore, 84 multiplied by 100 is going to give me 8400, which means 8,400. The next thing we are going to do, divide it with the coefficients of x. What is coefficient of x? 30. Divide by 30. Here one, here one. Therefore, 0 here, let me, instead of waiting to use calculator, 0 here, 0 here. How many 3 can we see in it? 8. We can see in 6, which is 2, isn't it? 2, 6, remainder 2. Therefore, how many 3 can we see in 24? We are going to see in 8. 8. Therefore, with this 0, we are going to get x is equal to what? 280. You can use calculator if you want to use calculator. I just decide to divide it manually like this. Therefore, we have the total number of people in that hall, 280 people. Now, the question said that we should look for the number of men. How do we look for the number of men now? Is that what is the percentage of men they gave us? The question give us 47.7, 47.5% are for men. You are going to do what? Just say 47.5 multiplied by 280 divided by 100. Let me use the next page so that I don't want to. Total number of men, number of men. Therefore, now say that we have 47, isn't it? 47 and a half divided by 100 multiplied by the total number of people in that hall. What is the total number of people? They are all 280. Now you can then press your calculator to know the number of people instead of wasting. Therefore, we are going to multiply this now. 47.5 multiplied by 280 divided by 100. It gives me 133. Number of men in that hall, there are 133 men in that hall. Let's look at the whether we get our answer. Do you have 133? Yes. The number of people in that hall is 133. The answer is what? B. Our final answer is what? Is B. Very simple. Thank you for listening. I remain Sunday Bada. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video like this. Bye bye.